Let me ask you something. What if I told you you could build muscle, get stronger, protect your joints, improve your posture, and train your core harder than ever? Without even moving, no reps, no fancy machines, no complicated programs, just holding a position. Sounds too simple, right? That's exactly why most people ignore it. But here's the truth. Some of the strongest athletes in the world, gymnasts, wrestlers, calisthenics athletes, they rely heavily on one thing, isometric strength. And today, I'm going to show you the only 3 isometric holds you need to completely change your body. Let's start. Most gym training looks like this: lift, lower, repeat, reps, movement, constant motion. And don't get me wrong, that works. But there's a huge gap in most programs. Almost nobody trains strength without movement. And that's exactly what isometrics are. Producing maximum tension without changing joint position. And this does something unique. It teaches your body to create force, not momentum, which means more stability, more control, more joint strength, more muscle activation, and less injury. This is why fighters, climbers, gymnasts, and elite athletes all use them. But bodybuilders almost never, which is a mistake. When you hold a position under tension, your muscle fibers stay activated longer. There's no rest between reps, no bouncing, no cheating, just pure tension, which leads to long time under tension, better mind-muscle connection, stronger tendons and ligaments, improved stability, higher motor unit recruitment. Translation: you get stronger in weak positions. And most injuries happen in weak positions. So you're not just building muscle, you're building resilience. Ever notice this? Your squat collapses at the bottom. Your push-ups shake. Your core gives up during planks. Your shoulders feel unstable when pressing. That's not a muscle size problem. That's a stability problem. And stability is built with isometrics, because strength isn't just lifting weight, it's controlling weight. If you only had 10 to 15 minutes a day and you wanted maximum results, these are the only 3 holds I'd choose. Find a wall, back flat, slide down until thighs are parallel, knees 90 degrees, feet shoulder width, and hold. That's it. Simple, but brutally effective. Why it works? Most people train legs dynamically only. Squats, lunges, leg press, but they never train static quad strength. The wall sit builds insane quad endurance, strengthens knees, improves squat stability, builds mental toughness, increases time under tension massively. And here's the cool part. If you can hold a wall sit for 2 to 3 minutes, your legs are strong, period. Programming: start with 30 to 45 seconds. Progress to 2 to 3 minutes. Add weight later. Simple progression, massive payoff. If your core sucks, everything sucks. Your squat, your bench, your posture, your back health. Everything depends on your core, and crunches won't fix it. Set up, lie on your back, lower back pressed into the floor, legs extended, shoulders slightly off the ground, arms overhead, body shaped like a banana, and hold. Why this is elite? This is used by United States men's national gymnastics team-style gymnasts and calisthenics athletes constantly, because it teaches full body tension, spinal stability, anti-extension strength, deep core activation. It's not just abs, it's your entire trunk. And once your core is strong, every lift feels lighter. Programming: 20 to 30 seconds to start. Build to 60 to 90 seconds. And if you shake, good. That's real activation. Most people only train pressing strength while moving, but the weakest point, the middle, where you usually fail. And so let's strengthen exactly that. Set up, lower into a push-up halfway, elbows around 90 degrees, body straight, don't move, just hold. Why this is powerful? This builds chest strength, shoulder stability, triceps endurance, scapular control, joint safety, and it directly improves push-ups, bench press, dips. It attacks the exact sticking point, which means instant carryover. Programming: 20 to 40 seconds holds. Multiple sets, add weight or elevate feet to progress. Here's a simple routine. Wall sit, 60 to 120 seconds. Hollow hold, 30 to 60 seconds. Push-up hold, 30 to 40 seconds. 3 rounds, 10 minutes total. Do this after workouts, or rest days, or mornings at home. You don't even need a gym. Beginners, people with joint pain, busy people, athletes, plateaued lifters, anyone training at home. Honestly, almost everyone. Holding with bad form, holding too short, not progressing, treating them like warm-ups only. These are real strength exercises. Treat them seriously. If you start doing these 3 holds consistently, your legs will feel stronger, your core tighter, your pressing more stable, your joints safer, and you'll realize something funny. Sometimes, the exercises that look the simplest create the biggest results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tell me in the comments which hold you're going to try first. And I'll see you in the next one.